Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the Untrusted screen reader immediately. Open Accessibility or Assistive Settings and view Installed Services so you see the exact app name and version. Once located, check whether it has system-level or only user permissions. That matters for removal method. Make sure to back up your voice profiles, custom shortcuts, and exported settings before changing anything. This protects your configuration in case you need to re-enable a trusted reader later or migrate settings to a different app. Now you remove its ability to run. Revoke accessibility and draw over permissions in the app's permissions page, because those let it intercept input and speak. Then disable the service in accessibility and force stop the app from app settings to halt activity immediately. If the app resists or re-enables itself, reboot into safe mode and uninstall from there, or revoke device admin status first. Once done, confirm no background process is active and that your trusted reader still works as expected. Finish by fully uninstalling and verifying system integrity. Clear the app cache and data, then uninstall normally. Reboot to ensure residual processes stop. After reboot, run a security scan to detect leftover components, and re-enable or restore your trusted reader settings from the backup you made. If the untrusted reader reappears or accessibility behaves oddly, consider a system restore point or a factory reset as a last resort, but only after exporting important data. Troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, safe mode uninstall usually succeeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.